Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to make a new group in Telegram. Friends, Telegram is a messaging app very much similar to WhatsApp. But in WhatsApp you can make group up to 256 member. On other side, in Telegram you can make group up to 2 lakhs member. So to make a group, first we need to open Telegram. In Telegram, click on left side corner of the screen. Now press on the first option, new group. Enter your friend's name. Friends, I have added one member and can add up to 2 lakhs member in this group. After adding your friends, press on this arrow. Here enter your group name. Press here to add photo to this group. Here you will get 3 options. I go with upload from gallery. Here adjust your photo and press on done. Now press on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now friends, as you can see, I have created a new group in Telegram and these are the features which I am going to have in this group. So friends, if you want to make a big messaging group, then Telegram is a right choice. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.